All right, so you can see how dirty this engine bay is. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up great, but it's pretty dirty in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick cleaning of the engine bay. So this is a product I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put a link in the description. It is expensive, but it will last a very long time. So this is a P21S Total Auto Wash. Comes in this box. You're gonna need that, a couple of Walmart bags, and some microfiber towels, and that's it. This only takes a few minutes. So you want your engine at room temperature. You don't want to do this on a hot engine. So our engine is at room temperature. We want to cover our alternator. This is our alternator. You can usually tell alternators by, they all look similar. What we're trying to do is prevent that from getting saturated with water. So I'm going to take these Walmart bags, and I'm just gonna kind of shove them in that general area to cover completely the alternator. We're not using any high pressure wash. This is just to stop, that's enough to stop water from just dripping down. So one thing that I do, just because I do not want to mess up the car by leaving those plastic bags, I saved the box to this. And what I do is I set this box in my driver's seat before I do this. And so I can't get in that car and start it up without sitting on that box. So that's gonna remind me, do not leave that there. So any surface you want clean. So I like this clean too. I try not to overspray it on my paint, but I don't cover up this kind of paint because I'm gonna be hosing it off. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and get started. Start spraying on that part because I want it clean. Okay. You can just kind of look your engine bay over, see where you see the grime, the buildup. I had to start with this. That just gets a lot of the volume of water off. So then when you get your microfiber rag, it doesn't get as saturated with water so easily. So even though it does the work, it doesn't hurt to just quickly touch things with the rag. So quite an improvement there to from what it was before. I'll put links to everything in the description. Hope that's been helpful.